Hi, I have iPhone 13. Screen is cracked, but LCD is good. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen. This phone screen is cracked, but LCD is good. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the screen without crack the LCD. Yeah, we have to put some alcohol on side and slowly you have to try it. We cannot push the glass too hard. Just keep doing alcohol, and alcohol makes glue loose. Just keep we have to keep doing it little by little and try to push up slowly. Cannot do very hard. If you try to push up too hard, it's gonna break the glass. So you have to try first make loose the glue and try slowly push up. Yeah, now glue get loose and the screen come out a little bit, and we have to put more alcohol on side, and we have to do a little bit up and put a little bit alcohol, a little bit up and a little bit do put alcohol, and we have to doing all the way this side and other side up. Yeah, just sharp a little bit and put some alcohol. We are almost done, so it's going to come out easily now. Yeah, is already come out. So we will check screen is good, LCD is good or not. Yeah, everything is good. It also doesn't break. Okay, now we're gonna change the screen. So we have to screw it. There's Y screw, one Y screw and two star screw. We need two screwdriver. One is Y type, one is star type. So this one is star, and this one is a star type screwdriver, and this one also is star. And these three we have to remove these three screw also. This three is also a star. And right one is the battery connection, and LCD connection we remove. Now we have to remove three screw here. This Y type screw. Now we put some heat on backside, the top of the screen. So easy to remove these plaques. Let me put a little bit on with the finger. Yeah, we just remove a little bit with the finger. Now we use alcohol because there is a glue on it. So we use the blade. This is not sharp blade, just a little bit. You have to try and put some more alcohol. Yeah, let me put some more alcohol. You cannot rush with that. You have to do it very slowly. Yeah, now use the finger and try slowly to remove. And you cannot do all the way. You have to be careful right here. Let me put some heat on back side again. And try to remove very slowly. If you need more heat, just put more heat. When you put the heat, is glue getting loose and come easily. So just slowly you have to remove. Yeah, now is removed nicely without ripped or anything. Yeah, there is new screen, so we install these plaques on there. Yeah, left side first install that sensor, and then speaker and sensor together, microphone and sensor, install it with the finger. Yeah, now nicely install here. Now we're gonna use the plate and put the screw top of there. I try to hold the plaques. done with the screw. Now we're gonna install the screen. So first we install the plugs. We're done with that. Now we put the screen connection, and put the battery connection. We have to use the plate and put the screw. Yeah, we are done with the screw now. We're gonna check. We're gonna turn on the phone and see, make sure it's work everything. Yeah, it's turned on. We'll check touch is working or not. Yes, touch is working also. So now we're gonna install the screen. And put the back screw. Yeah, we all set now. Thank you for watching.